Gentlemen, welcome to my super badass closet. All right, not as badass as my wife's. Like, come here, check this out. My wife has, like, seriously, look at this thing. It's like a store, right? She's got a much cooler closet than me, but she's much cooler than me. Here's the deal. A few years ago, actually 5 years ago, in my old house, I actually did a wardrobe and closet tour, and I thought I'd do it again since I recently moved. You guys that follow me over on the Empire channel know that I finished my dream home. Well, we're not quite ready for the home tour soon, but not yet. And so I figured until then, why don't I actually show you the one place that is pretty much complete, which is my closet. We're actually going to make this a field trip as well, because this is only literally like a third of my clothing. The majority of my clothing are actually over at my office, and so we'll go over there after I give you a tour of this place. The first video I did showing you my closet over my old house, I apologized for my plastic hangers. I still have plastic hangers because, quite frankly, I can't afford nice hangers after finishing this house. One of the coolest things about building a custom home is actually being able to design and choose like everything, including your closets. And so for my wife and I, we knew that we needed like ample closet space. She needed more than me because I've got the office where I keep the majority of like my suits and a lot of my casual clothing and the majority of my shoes, which I'll show you in a second. But the cool thing is that you get to choose everything. And so we decided to do a little bit yin and yang, right? Her closet is very light and bright. Mine is a bit more masculine and dark. We went with the super like dark woods, but the other cool thing that we did is we actually got to put lighting inside of the closet, all right? Whenever you go into a closet and they've got like lighting inside, lighting up the shelves, that's like next level in terms of a little bit bougie, but just a nice little detail, all right? In my closet, really, it was about hanging space and shelves. I needed more shelves compared to my old closet. I also needed some drawers, right? Where I was gonna keep things like my socks, not to mention some other things that I basically wanted to get out of the way, which I'll show you in a second. And so what I did was I went with a leather texture for the drawers, right? Which is pretty cool. I went with a matte black handle, and then on top of this, I actually got to choose this really masculine, cool marble. It's got a lot of movement, a lot of definition, a lot of different colors, the white, the black, very masculine, very sexy, all right? And then on here, I've got the watch that I wear most often, my keys, a little caddy here, a candle, and then a box of tissues. And then in these drawers, all right, I'm gonna show you something that I shouldn't be showing you, but in this drawer, I've got more watches, my gum, and then cat snacks. What, you don't have cat treats in your drawers, in your closet? Well, my cat Birdie, she knows if I'm coming into the closet, she's gonna get snacks. And so she comes, she touches my toe, it's a little game we play, and I give her some treats, all right? It's cute, shut up, all right? Don't you judge me, all right? Also, boom, next drawer, look at that. All my sunglasses. Enemy, the brand that I used to have. I don't have it anymore, but I still have the sunglasses. And then I've got socks, I've got running shorts, I've got swimsuits, I've got underwear, and I've got like stuff like, you know, sleep pants and things like that, all right? Now, moving on. Let's talk about some shoes, all right? So my shoes are pretty weak in terms of my shoe collection. Like I said, the majority of my shoes are actually over at my office, which I'll show you in a second. I've got racks and racks and racks that are awesome, but here, basically these are some shoes that I've been wearing the most often, all right? I've got my sneakers, I run every day. Brooks are the shoes that I choose. They are the best in my opinion. I've got some backups up top, because once I hit about, I don't know, probably a month worth of running, I throw them out or I donate them to charity and I switch them out, because when your shoes start to go bad, you don't even realize it and it messes your whole body up, right? And then another brand of shoes that I've been really into lately is Axel Arigato. Here's a pair. Here's another funky pair that's just a little bit different, right? A little bit chunkier. The brown suede I really like, and a clean pair of white leather ones, right? Just a little bit elevated in terms of aesthetic. And then, of course, I've got my Thursday boots, right? The white minimal sneaker with the gum sole. You can't go wrong with this shoe, all right? If you're looking for like the best, most perfect sneaker that you can dress up or down, this is probably it. Another one that I love from Thursday boots are these. The color is smoke, it is gray, it is distressed, and it's just a badass sneaker that I wear a lot. And then my Gucci loafers, I get a lot of action with those. And then these are some shoes that I bought over the years that I just can't seem to throw out because I spent so much. They were bad decisions, but I still bought them and whatever, right? Some more sneakers, flip-flops. I feel you judging me. And I would just like to say, if I went through your wardrobe and actually took a look, or your drawers, what would I find? Exactly. I see you. Stop judging me. All right, here's the deal. Boots. I got my boots over here. This is a very, 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 very small amount of my boots. You guys know that I'm a boot guy. The majority of my boots are at my office. I'm going to show you those in a second. Over here, we've got my hats, all right? Hats that I wear. This one I absolutely love. I'm from Marietta, Georgia, and this is a hat that I absolutely love. I don't wear it that often because of my ears. I look stupid in hats, but I still have a place for them, and I think they look cool. Also, here are like my good beanies. I've got a drawer full of bad beanies that I wear just when I run. I'll show you in a second. And then some other hats that I wear when it gets really cold so my ears don't freeze. And then I've got some more shelves for bags and storing stuff like that. One of my favorite things about this closet is actually my bench. All right, like I said, you get to design everything. In my old closet, I used to sit on this like plastic like stepping stool, and it was gross and it just didn't look super great. And so when I got to design this, I said, you know what? I need a place in order to basically sit down and change. And so we actually utilized the space underneath of the window for a storage container, because you've got storage bins underneath, but then on top we put this cushion, and it's a bench that I can use to actually get changed, all right? That bin down there, that's for my cat. It sleeps there. Whatever, it's cute. Shut up. Anyway, this here, nice clothes, all right? This shelf down here, Bombers, baby. My Alpha M Thursday boot collab Bombers, like the one that I'm wearing. If you're like, yo, Alpha, you were collabing with Thursday? Yes, I did. Did you not hear? Did you not get the memo? Did you not see all these badass Bombers flying out the door? Gentlemen, we sold out the first run. They're back in stock if you are ready to upgrade and elevate your casual style game, all right? This one that I'm wearing is the black one. How sexy, right? The fit, you're like, yo, the fit's sexy. Yes, it is sexy. Actually, I wanna get a little better lighting on this action. So for those of you who didn't know, I did a collaboration with Thursday Boots for the perfect bomber. They basically reached out to me. They're like, yo, Alpha, you always wear bombers. Would you be interested in doing a collab, and we can design a jacket together and we can sell it under the Thursday brand? And I said, hell yeah, let's do it. I was so excited. It was a huge honor. I love Thursday Boots. They make incredible products, super high quality, incredible price. Check it out. Literally, I got to design every aspect of this bomber jacket. All right. I wanted to make sure that it fit perfectly. I wanted to make sure it was age appropriate for pretty much like anybody, whether or not you're a 12-year-old or 85. These bombers are perfect. They're the perfect lightweight jacket. And the thing that I love so much about them is that you can dress them down, or you can kind of even dress them up. Like for me, I threw on a simple tank top, my black bomber, a pair of black Fury pants, all right, and then a pair of black sneakers, all right? Check this out, right? It's a simple, badass casual look, right? But I could throw on a pair of jeans and it would totally change the look of this outfit. I could even wear this bomber with shorts. Like I said, it is super versatile, all right? We have a few amazing colors. The black, personally, is probably my favorite color, but I also love this green. All 5 of the colors are incredible. Here's another one that I love, right? If you guys love earth tones, this one is so sexy. And like I said, the fit is perfect. I didn't put a bunch of zippers everywhere because I wanted to, like I said, be super versatile. Another one of my favorites, of course, is the gray Actually, let me throw this on. The deal is, guys, the reviews have been coming in. Everybody is loving these bombers. Look at that, right? Look how sexy. It's perfect. Guys, the price is insane. If you missed out on the first run that we sold out on, guys, they're back in stock. Hit the link down below. Do not wait, because these are definitely gonna sell out. We got more in, but not that many. It's a limited run. So if you're interested, guys, make sure to go hit that link down below. We also have some pockets inside. I didn't do like a chest pocket up here because I didn't want to make the pec uneven or look bulky. Like I said, I got to design everything with this. And so we got 2 pockets inside. The zipper, super high quality. It's soft, it's luscious, it's sexy. Here's another sexy one, right? Come on, gentlemen. If you missed the deal, now's the time. Hit the link down below if you're in the market for a perfect casual bomber jacket. The bomber jacket, in my opinion, is the most perfect casual jacket a guy can wear. It instantly elevates your style. It instantly makes you look better than like 95% of other dudes. You throw it on over top of a t-shirt, a pair of jeans, a pair of sneaks, a pair of boots. You are absolutely crushing it. Gentlemen, hit the link down below. Do not wait. Like I said, they are going to sell out of these. So if you want to grab one before for spring, now is the time. Like I was saying, all right, this is where I keep my bombers, and I will fold my bombers. I don't hang them on a hanger because I don't like the nipple things that happen on shoulders when you actually hang something heavy like a jacket or a sweater. And so for me, I found that just folding them up, right, and just keeping them in sight so that they don't get lost like in the rest of your wardrobe is a better option, all right? Some other things that I have over here, kind of like my nice shirts, my nice sweaters. Another brand that I've been really digging is a brand called Todd Snyder, all right? Todd Snyder is a really cool kind of hip brand that caters to kind of an adult dude. It's not super young, it's not super trendy. He has nice classic styles. It's sort of like a Banana Republic, J. Crew, elevated aesthetic, a little bit. It also adds in a dash of like Suit Supply. It's just a cool brand that I really like, all right? Anyway, I will keep my nicer stuff that I've gotten over here, all right, nice and folded, nice and even, so that I can see it. If I don't see it, a lot of times I will forget it's there or I won't wear it. And so also did the same thing with some other sweaters, some other jackets. Put back on my black bomber. I just like my outfit. I was feeling it today. Anyway, something else I'm feeling are cardigans. I love cardigan sweaters. I've been going crazy with them, and this is where I keep my cardigans. Now, I want to show you another like pro hack, all right? So here's the deal. You know how I was talking about getting like weird like nipples like in your shoulders from hanging stuff on a regular hanger? Even if it's like a nicer hanger, a lot of times it will distort your shoulder. I hate that. And so what I'll do is actually use a pant hanger, fold up my sweaters and my shirts that I don't actually stack on shelves and hang them that way. Just fold it up, right, like this, boom, like this, get a pant hanger like so, and hang it like that, right? It works and it prevents like any distortion from happening up in the shoulder area. So I got all my cardigans down here. I've got my other sweaters down here. Let me actually just take it here and show you. All right. All my cardigans are right there. They stop about here. And then some of my other sweaters are here, right? Whether or not it's a polo shirt or just a crew neck sweater, all in here. Down here, I've got my workout pants. I am a sucker for Lululemon workout pants. Up top, this is kind of a disaster. I've got my sweatshirts, I've got, long sleeve Henleys, and then I've only got 3 suits here. And the reason is because everything else is at my office, which I'll show you in a second when we actually head to my office so I can show you the rest of my wardrobe. And then over here, this is more casual clothing. As you can tell, I like black and I like white in terms of t-shirts. It's quick, it's easy, and it's simple, all right? And then down here, I've got my jeans over here. I've got my slacks over here. And then I've got my casual jackets. A lot of these puffer jackets are actually for running. I've got another closet that I have like my proper, actually, let me show you. Right next to the garage door is our coat closet. Can you come here and hold this for me? All right, hold it right about there. How do I look?
You look good. We've never done this before.
Okay, good. All right, so in here, I've got all of my proper dress-up jackets. All right, this one is black, peak lapel, so sexy, from Suit Supply. And that's one thing I just want to recommend. Guys, if you're looking to upgrade your style, upgrade your jackets, all right? A lot of guys think about shoes and jeans and pants, but jackets, that separates the very stylish from dudes that are just kind of stylish, all right? Another one of my favorites, the navy pea coat. You can never go wrong with the navy pea coat. A very, very functional jacket, but it also looks amazing. Another 2 fun jackets, right? This one I've had for a while. I love it, that herringbone. This one, kind of fuzzy, sexy, that texture, amazing. Every time I wear these, always get a compliment. And then, of course, the camel driving jacket. Guys, you can't go wrong with this. Every time you wear it, you're gonna get a ton of compliments. And now for the rest of the story, all right? My office has pretty much everything. All right, so let's start with shoes. All right, so here's the deal. Shoes, boots, everything you need. All right, so check this out. Look at this collection of boots, right? What? Tons and tons of boots. The majority of all these boots are Thursday boots. As you know, I love Thursday boots, all right? If you want to check them out, the new additions, hit the link down below if you're grabbing a bomber and you also want to grab the boots. But bottom line is, there is no better bang for the buck when it comes to sexy, rugged, masculine boots that are not gonna break the bank. Dress shoes over here. And then on this side, my sneakers, all right? Lots and lots of shoes and sneakers. A lot of the shoes that I have are like for examples or props, all right? Like these here, it's a pair of dirty white sneakers. I've got to keep a lot of the things that I use, even if I don't wear them on a regular basis, because I never know, like if I'm filming a video, I need to grab something for an example. Now it's pretty awesome because I've got everything kind of laid out. So if I'm doing a quick video, I don't have to go through boxes. They're all, you know, where I can see them, and that's pretty awesome. But this room here, this is where I have the majority of my clothing, all right? You'll see I have 4 different rolling racks of clothes in here. This rack in the back is actually all my jackets, my leather jackets, my denim jackets, my field jackets, my pea coats that I don't wear on a regular basis. Everything goes here, all right? This rack here is all of my polo shirts, my t-shirts, my casual pants, my athletic pants, my tank tops. This is basically casual wear, all right? This rack right here has actually just started, all right? I need another rack, and so this just started. I hang all of my ants and belts on this as well, and then this rack here, I've got my sweaters, my long sleeve shirts. I've also got like flannels and all of that good stuff. And then across the way, this room you guys have probably seen before. I've got all my grooming products, all my tools, all the stuff that I use for my videos. But then over here, I've got my nice clothes, all right? I've got all of my suits right here, beautiful. Most of them came from Suit Supply. Actually, I think all of them came from Suit Supply. And then over here on this rack, I've got some more sweaters, and then I've got my long sleeve button-ups. White button-ups are pretty much my go-to, but then I also have my polo shirts. My polos come from typically Collars & Co. I've got some other ones that I've gotten from like John Henrik and some other ones that are a little bit different, but that's it. That's my wardrobe. What do you guys think? I know it's a lot. And the crazy thing is that I routinely clean it out and donate it to charity. Guys, here's the deal. Little food for thought before I let you go. If you dug this video, make sure to drop me one of these. And while you're at it, why don't you go through your wardrobe and clean it out? It is impossible to operate a wardrobe effectively and efficiently if you've got a bunch of chaos and clutter in it. If you don't wear it, if you haven't worn it for a year, it's time to donate it to charity. Guys, thanks for watching. All the links are down below. If you want to grab one of these badass bombers, I would recommend doing it now.